Hello developers. In this tutorial, we will understand switch case, switch case conditional statement in Dart. It's used to check one single variable against many fixed values. Here we have a syntax switch variable and then inside this switch block we write our condition. Here Here we write our condition or we check conditions. So let's get coding to understand better. So I'll jump into Android Studio. So here in Android Studio, I'll create one Dart file. Here, Dart file. It's called switch case tutorial. Okay, and now here I'll write code for main method void main and then body of main method. So our main method is ready and here I'll declare one variable with the help of var keyword var day equal Monday. I have assigned this variable with value Monday. Okay, now I'm writing switch case switch and here I'll path variable day and now inside this switch block here we write our condition. So I'll write case Monday, then I'll print start start your day with motivation. Okay. So if you day is Monday, then it will print start your day with motivation and then break case. Let's write few more cases. Case Friday. Okay. Then I'm printing weekend. Weekend is coming. Okay. And then break case Sunday, then print print enjoy your holiday break. Let's also write a default case default. Here I'll print it's a regular day. Okay, so let's quickly understand. Here inside switch I pass a day, that is variable. If the value of day is Monday, here this is the case and this is the value. So if the value of day variable is Monday, then it will print this. If this condition is not true, then it will check this. If the value of this variable is Friday, then it will print this weekend is coming. If this condition is not true, then it will check next condition, that is this one, else it will print default value. So let's check output. I'll run it. So here I'm running it and now here we can see output start your day with motivation. The value of this variable is Monday and it's printing this. Now let me change this value and then we will see output. Here I'm giving Friday and now let's check output. So here again I'll print. Here we can see output weekend is coming. This condition is true and now it has print weekend is coming. If I give Tuesday, as we can see we did not write any case for Tuesday, then it will print it's a regular day. Okay, let's see output. Here I'm again running and we can see output it's a regular day. So that's all for this video. In next video we will understand for loop.